So right friends, so let's now see the answer to the contest 1 video. Now this is the video you can see on top. First of all, I think the first rubric that is displayed over here, now you have to observe that child here, and I think it is quite simple, and I'm sure that everybody must have got it right. The first rubric that we can trace out from here is obstinate, being obstinate, ziddi, चाहिए तो चाहिए, मुझे अभी जाना है तो अभी जाना है. So that is being obstinate. I think everybody must have got it very clearly. Next, what you can see on your screen is that her mother basically goes into the washroom to change the clothes, but look at the way he is roaming outside that, showing a lot of impatience, and I think that also everybody must have got it. The rubric that can apply is impatience. Next, you can see that they go out to buy the ice cream, and then her mother meets up another old friend, and then they are talking, like spending time, having a conversation. And look at the way the child is getting irritated in the meantime. That is also because of his impatience. He wants to desperately go as soon as he can. So that impatience is getting more highlighted over here. And when that lady asks him what is his name, that child, what is his name, then he doesn't answer. So there, the rubric that we can think of is answer aversion to. That gets more reflected in the next part also. I'll show you that. Answers aversion to is the one rubric that we can consider there. Now she is scolding her child, saying that don't keep quiet when somebody has asked something. So that answers aversion to becomes more stronger there. Then again, when reached home, then her mother is asking something to him and he is not bothered to answer. So again, that answer aversion to. And when he insists her to answer, then he is getting irritated. So that is anger, or getting angry rather. So anger when answer when obliged to, when compelled to answer, is getting angry. So that is anger, answer when obliged to. I think some people must have got this rubric as well. Irritability questioned when also can be taken here. There is one more common, one more strong rubric that has almost a similar meaning. Irritability questioned when can also be taken. Mischievousness, talking about the mischievousness of that child, which gets more reflected how to what extent that mischievousness is when that lady goes to meet the principal. So mischievousness is there, and trying to throw somebody out from the second floor, that is malicious, cruel activity, malicious activity. That is rubric is mind malicious, and not able to concentrate in studies. And the other thing that rubric is definitely there, mind concentration difficult, inability to concentrate on reading, that rubric is there. Mind concentration difficult, studying, reading while etc. That also can be thought of. And the earlier the lady is also talking about the laziness of this child. So that indolence, aversion to work, that also can be applied. And one more rubric that comes out in this conversation is that the child, as the mother is telling that the child doesn't go out to play, he is within himself and doing whatever he wants. So company aversion to, that also becomes one rubric. So as far as these are the main rubrics that are that can be definitely considered here, and the remedy that comes out as the right answer for this case will be Nux vomica. So all those people who have given Nux vomica as their right entry, congratulations to all of them. And in the respective WhatsApp groups, I'll be sharing the list of all those members who have given the right answer. And just below, beside on left hand side of your name, you will find a serial number. That will be your lucky number for the lucky draw. And you have to prefix A on that. Say for example, your serial number is 14, then you have to consider it as A14, because A for the contest that we are doing on Monday, B will be the prefix for the contest that we will be doing on Tuesday, P will be the prefix for the contest that we'll be doing on Wednesday likewise. So this was the first contest which we did on Monday. So you have to keep in mind that serial number. I'll take a note of it, but in case you are curious to know what is your lucky draw number, then you have to remember that serial number and prefixed with A. So hope this activity was enjoying, friends, and do participate in the second contest as well. The answer to the second contest will be uploaded in the next video.